Imagine waking up each day, knowing you have the power to bring your deepest desires to life. From the quiet dreams whispered in the dead of night to the grand visions that dance boldly in your mind during the day, every single one holds the potential to become your reality. This isn't just about wishful thinking or hoping against hope. It's about unlocking a secret that has been whispered through the ages, accessible to those who know how to listen and act. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of manifestation, exploring a technique so powerful, yet so simple, it can transform your life in ways you've never imagined. This secret prayer, a blend of ancient wisdom and modern understanding, promises to bridge the gap between your dreams and your reality. Join us as we start on this journey together, unlocking the doors to a life where anything you desire isn't just possible, it's within reach. Manifestation is a beacon of hope in the vast sea of our desires and dreams. It's the art of turning what lives in the heart and mind into something you can touch, see, and experience. This incredible journey begins with a single belief: the belief that you have the power to shape your reality. It's about more than just wanting something. It's about truly believing that what you desire is on its way to you, attracted by the sheer force of your will and the clarity of your vision. Throughout history, luminaries and thought leaders have shed light on this phenomenon, sharing their wisdom and experiences. They've taught us that manifestation isn't just a fanciful idea, but a tangible process grounded in the universal laws of attraction. By aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions with the essence of our deepest desires, we invite them into our lives. These visionaries, from all corners of the world, echo a common theme. The power to manifest lies within each of us, waiting to be awakened and unleashed. Through manifestation, we discover that the only limits that exist are the ones we place on ourselves. In the journey of bringing our dreams to life, prayer emerges as a profound tool, a bridge between the seen and the unseen, the known and the hoped for. It's more than a ritual. It's a powerful form of communication with the universe, a deliberate act of aligning our deepest desires with the forces that can bring them into reality. Prayer transcends mere wishful thinking by inviting us into a state of active co-creation. It's where thoughts become intentions, intentions fuse with emotions, and actions are born out of belief. This sacred dialogue between you and the universe is where magic happens. Unlike passive daydreaming, prayer is an active engagement. It consolidates your thoughts, sharpens your focus, and channels your emotions towards achieving your heart's desires. Through prayer, we signal to the universe our readiness to receive, grounded in the belief that what we seek is seeking us too. It's in this sacred space that we find clarity and purpose, marrying our spiritual practice with tangible steps towards manifesting our dreams. Through the power of prayer, we not only ask for what we desire, but also prepare ourselves to receive it, setting the stage for the universe to conspire in our favor. The foundation of manifesting your desires starts with crystal clear intentions. Knowing exactly what you want is the first crucial step towards turning your dreams into reality. It's like setting a destination in your life's GPS. Without a clear endpoint, you might find yourself wandering aimlessly. The clarity of your intention acts as a beacon, guiding the universe to deliver your heart's desires. To set these specific, clear intentions, start by asking yourself what it is that you truly want. Reflect deeply, beyond the surface desires, to uncover what you yearn for at your core. Once you have this vision, articulate it with as much detail as possible. Imagine describing it to someone who can't read your mind. Your description should be so vivid that they can see it too. Writing down your intentions serves as a powerful tool in this process. The act of writing not only helps in clarifying your thoughts, but also solidifies your commitment to them. Similarly, visualization breathes life into your intentions. Picture yourself living your dream, engaging all your senses. What does it look like? How does it feel? This mental imagery reinforces your intentions, setting the stage for them to manifest in the physical world. Through these practices, your intentions become magnets, pulling the fabric of reality to align with your deepest desires. When it's time to turn your intentions into reality, asking the universe for what you desire becomes a sacred act of faith and anticipation. This isn't a whisper into the void, but a deliberate conversation through prayer, a focused intention in meditation, or the creative visualization of a vision board. Each method is a unique dialogue, a way to say, "Here is my heart's desire," with clarity and conviction. But this cosmic request is just one side of the coin. The other side, equally vital, is taking proactive steps towards your goals. Manifestation is not a spectator sport. It's an invitation to dance with the universe. Action is the language the universe respects, a clear signal of your commitment to your dreams. Whether it's acquiring a new skill, networking, or simply making space in your life for new opportunities, each step you take is a stride towards your desired future. This blend of asking and acting creates a powerful synergy, accelerating the journey from dream to reality. It's in this active engagement with your dreams that you signal to the universe your readiness to receive, setting in motion the forces that conspire to bring your desires to life. In the pursuit of our dreams, doubts and negative beliefs often loom like shadows, whispering words of limitation and fear. These mental blocks, shaped by past experiences or the voices of others, can stifle our growth and dim the brightness of our aspirations. Recognizing these barriers is the first step toward dismantling them, illuminating a path forward where our true potential can shine. Overcoming these obstacles begins with acknowledging their presence without allowing them to dictate our journey. Strategies like mindfulness can help us observe these limiting beliefs without attachment, understanding that we are not defined by our doubts. Positive affirmations serve as powerful tools to rewrite the narrative of our self-belief. Phrases like, "I am capable," "I am deserving," and "I am worthy of my dreams" become the mantras that guide us, slowly but surely, away from the grip of negativity. Gratitude amplifies this transformation, shifting our focus from what we lack to the abundance that already exists within and around us. By cherishing the small victories and the progress we make each day, we foster an environment where positivity thrives. This mindset not only elevates our spirit, but also attracts more of what we're grateful for, setting a virtuous cycle of belief and manifestation into motion. As we navigate this journey, let us hold fast to the knowledge that our doubts and fears are but stepping stones, leading us to the realization of our fullest potential. Within the tapestry of manifestation techniques, the secret prayer stands out as a beacon of profound connection and intention. This isn't just any prayer, it's a focused, intentional dialogue with the universe, crafted to unlock the doors to your deepest desires. Its uniqueness lies in its simplicity and the profound impact it can have on your life's trajectory. To engage with this secret prayer, find a quiet moment and space where your mind can be still, free from the distractions of daily life. This sacred conversation requires your undivided attention, as it's not just about speaking, but also listening, feeling the response of the universe to your heartfelt desires. Begin by clearly stating your intention, visualizing your desire as already fulfilled. The power of this prayer multiplies when your heart and mind are in perfect harmony, resonating with the truth and sincerity of your request. This alignment magnifies your intention, sending it out into the universe with clarity and strength. The secret prayer is most effective when performed with regularity, becoming a ritual that anchors your day or week. Whether at the dawn of a new day, as the sun sets, or any moment you feel connected to the profound silence within. Let your prayer be a bridge between your current reality and the one you wish to create. Remember, the essence of this prayer lies in the alignment between heart and mind. When these two powerful forces unite, the universe listens, and the fabric of reality begins to weave in favor of your deepest, most sincere desires. In the journey of manifestation, gratitude is not just an act of acknowledgement, but a powerful catalyst for change and abundance. Recognizing and appreciating what we receive opens our hearts to the beauty of the present and the potential of the future. It's a gentle reminder that every step forward, no matter how small, is a part of a larger dance with the universe towards realizing our dreams. Keeping a gratitude journal serves as a tangible testament to this journey. By documenting the blessings, breakthroughs, and even the seemingly minor wins, we create a reservoir of positive energy that fuels our spirit and attracts more of what we're grateful for. This practice isn't just about recording events. It's about celebrating every moment of progress and every instance of receiving, recognizing the universe's hand in our lives. Acknowledging small achievements sets the stage for bigger manifestations. It's akin to planting seeds of success that, with time and nurture, grow into the lush garden of our dreams realized. Each acknowledgement is a signal to the universe that we're ready for more, that we value what we've been given, and that we trust in the abundance yet to come. Through gratitude, we not only attract more blessings, but also expand our capacity to receive and appreciate the richness of life. At the heart of manifestation lies a fundamental truth. Our energy and beliefs are the architects of our reality. The universe responds not just to our wishes, but to the energy we emit and the beliefs that fuel our actions. When our energy vibrates in harmony with our desires, the universe listens, setting the wheels of manifestation into motion. Raising your vibrations to align with your dreams isn't just a practice, it's a way of living. Begin by immersing yourself in activities that fill you with joy and passion, whether it's through music, art, nature, or meditation, find what makes your spirit soar and make it a regular part of your life. Surround yourself with positivity, from the people you interact with to the environments you choose to be in, as they profoundly influence your energy levels. Mindfulness and positive affirmations are invaluable tools in this alignment process. They help recalibrate your thoughts and emotions, steering them towards a more optimistic and abundant mindset. Affirmations like, "I am worthy of my dreams," and "I am a magnet for my desires," can transform your belief system, making what once seemed impossible within your grasp. Remember, the journey of adjusting your energy and belief is deeply personal and ever-evolving. It requires patience, persistence, and a gentle yet firm belief in your power to manifest your reality. By consciously working to elevate your vibrations and nurture positive beliefs, you're not just chasing your dreams, you're inviting them into your life, one elevated thought at a time. As we draw this journey to a close, let's reflect on the key steps that bridge the gap between dreaming and manifesting. We've delved into the essence of manifestation, the transformative power of prayer, and the importance of setting clear intentions. We've discussed the significance of asking the universe for what we desire, taking proactive steps towards our goals, and the necessity of overcoming doubts and negative beliefs. The practice of gratitude, adjusting our energy and beliefs, and the sacred act of aligning our heart and mind through secret prayer have all been waypoints on this path. The journey of manifestation is both magical and grounded in our willingness to trust the process and be patient. Remember, the universe operates not on our time, but on the right time. Have faith in the unseen forces at work, and know that every step forward is a step closer to realizing your dreams. Let this be your motivation to start manifesting your dreams today. The power lies within you. It always has. The universe is ready to respond to your call. So, with heart full and intentions clear, step boldly into the life you've always dreamed of. If this message has resonated with you, if you feel the stirrings of your own desires ready to take flight, then like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your journey towards manifestation is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Together, let's turn the dreams of today into the reality of tomorrow.